Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm showing you the most powerful Canva AI tools inside Magic Studio. These tools will transform your designs instantly. I will explain each feature and also show you practical live examples. So make sure you watch till the end. Background remover. First is the background remover. With just one click, Canva erases the background from any photo. For example, let's take this product image. In seconds, the background is gone. Select the product image and you'll see the Edit option appear. Click on it. Under Magic Studio, choose the first option, BG Remover, and click to remove the background. Now it's ready for an online store, a flyer, or even a YouTube thumbnail. No Photoshop needed. Background generator. Next, we have the background generator. Instead of searching for stock photos, you can type what you want and Canva creates a brand new background. For example, I'll type a colorful kids playroom and Canva instantly generates it. Now I can place my product or character in this AI-made scene. Perfect for ads or creative posts. Magic Eraser. Now let's try Magic Eraser. This tool removes unwanted objects from an image. Watch this. Here's a family photo with someone walking in the background. Just brush over the person and Canva erases them cleanly. Leaving only the perfect photo. It's super handy for travel pictures, portraits, or professional work. Magic Grab. One of my favorites is Magic Grab. This lets you grab objects from a photo and move them around. For example, here's a coffee cup on the wrong side of the table. With Magic Grab, I can select the cup and shift it to the center, just like magic. It feels like editing layers, but much easier. Next is Grab Text. This tool lets you extract text from any image so you can edit it. For example, imagine you have a scanned flyer or a poster image. With Grab Text, Canva pulls out the words and makes them editable. That means you can update the text instantly without redesigning the whole thing. Magic Edit. Now let's explore Magic Edit. This tool replaces parts of an image with whatever you describe. For example, I'll select this plain cake and type chocolate cake with strawberries on top.
In just seconds, Canva transforms it. Perfect for product changes, creative ideas, or mock-ups.
Magic Expand. And finally, Magic Expand. Sometimes your photo feels cropped or too small. With Magic Expand, you can stretch it outward. For example, here's a portrait that cuts off too close to the head. I'll expand it upwards, and Canva fills the extra space naturally. Now the photo looks complete and ready to use. And that's a full tour of Canva's Magic Studio AI tools: background remover, background generator, magic eraser, magic grab, grab text, magic edit, and magic expand. These tools are powerful for content creators, business owners, and anyone who wants professional designs fast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. And let me know in the comments, which Magic Studio tool are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.